Welcome to day 40 of Tales from West Gardiner, Maine. Kindness is flowing into my life, and everyone else is in Maine. We're taking care of each other. My friend John Marsh split a whole truckload of wood, got it over to my place. One more bit of kindness flowing around Maine. Mother and I are on a road trip right now. We're down at the edge of the Atlantic Ocean, right next to the Cribstone Bridge. It's known for that phrase because it's the only one of its kind in the world. Back in the 1920s, Oars and Bailey Island were separated by water, and they had to use boats to go back and forth, but they decided they could use a bridge, and they designed and built this bridge in the 1920s. All it is slabs of granite laid in a kind of a cribstone effect in a way that protects it and defends it against the waves from the Atlantic Ocean and the winds from the great state of Maine. It hasn't budged one bit since the 1920s. Speaking of winds in Maine, we got this fresh air up here. Some places could use a lot of it. We got an abundance of it. And I got to tell you, it makes me think of that time when my Uncle Willie got that call. Yeah, he was 110 at the time, and some cigarette executives heard about this 110-year-old fella in Maine had been smoking cigarettes for 90 years. They contacted him and said, hey, Willie, if you'll come to New York and appear on the Today Show and tell people that you've been smoking for 90 years and look at you, you're 110, we'll pay you $5,000 and we'll cover the expenses of your whole trip. Willie said, geez, that's great. I'd love to go to New York. That sounds like fun. Great. Okay, when do we do it? They said, well, we can do it next week. All right, let's do it. When do I have to be there? He said, well, you have to be at the Today Show at 8 o'clock in the morning. 8 o'clock a.m.? Yeah. What's wrong? He said, well, I can't do it. I can't be there and do that at 8 o'clock in the morning. Well, why not? Well, I don't stop coughing till noontime. There you have it. Hey, stay separated, take care of each other, be kind. And